But the journey doesn't end there. Some of these rocks need to be further refined for construction purposes. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey. Stay tuned for more incredible stories of innovation and engineering excellence. These engineering marvels not only revolutionize the rock quarrying and transportation industry, but also contribute to the efficiency and precision of heavy load transportation. Innovations in rock cutting technology continue to redefine the way we work with large rocks, making the impossible possible. Many companies are adopting eco-friendly practices to reduce their environmental footprint. This includes responsible sourcing of rocks, efficient fuel usage, and recycling of materials whenever possible. From the quarry to the construction site, the journey of these big rocks showcases the incredible capabilities of modern engineering and heavy machinery. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey. Stay tuned for more incredible stories of innovation and engineering excellence.